Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Evan Dixon. I'm an owner for digital marketing agency called Edville Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get views on YouTube just through Google Ads. And you don't need to buy views, you don't need to buy likes, you don't need to buy subscribers. You can get it just by doing Google ads and YouTube ads pretty much. So in this video I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to show you the step-by-step way to do that, and all I need in return is a like, comment, and hopefully a subscription. So I hope you enjoy it, and just let me know what you think. Alright. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do YouTube ads via Google Ads, and it's not that hard at all you have to do is set up an account, a Google Ad account, and go to campaign, all campaigns. You go to campaign, and then you click here. You click on new campaign. You get a few options, and the options that you get, you can just click one, and this is for you. You have to click on video, and video is for YouTube ads. So you click on this, and you might have lead ads. You can do lead ads if you want to get leads via YouTube. If you can do website traffic if you want to get website traffic from YouTube, and product and brand consideration and brand awareness and reach. You can do all of that from this particular ad, which is on YouTube. And so you can create, but what we're going to do is create a campaign without a goal, because we're just trying to get views and likes and hopefully comments, right? So we're going to go to standard video campaign, and we're going to click on continue. And so then we're going to get here. So first things first, what I like to do is, okay, you need a name ad, and you scroll down. So you're going to scroll down. Sometimes, I mean, depending on what you want to target, in this video, it's going to be a broad, we're just going to have like a broad target. We're not going to try to target anyone. It's just going to be broad. And so, but some, if you want to change if you want to change the language and just focus in English or Spanish or whatever, that's also fine. And in regards to the country, you can, right now we're doing a broad ad, so we're just gonna focus on all countries, and we're gonna go here. We're gonna name ad, obviously, and we're gonna scroll back up, right? So we're scrolling back up, and we're just gonna give, you gotta let's say for example, the budget is 33 euros. We're just gonna go for 33 euros. So this is the budget right there, and I like to choose this option as soon as the ads, yeah, and then we're just gonna go for the end date will be, let's say, a week from now. So let's say 23rd. So that's so we get 10 billion impressions, right? So which is good. And then we're gonna scroll down. So it's gonna be, the ad is gonna run for 8 days. We're gonna scroll down, 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 and okay, so what we can also do here is that we can just, if you don't want to do a broad ad and you just want to do a targeted ad, you can just um, choose what gender you want to, or which age range or whatever, parent or not a parent, unknown, household income. Yeah, you can do pretty much everything with it, and the audience as well, who they are. You can choose between, you can choose any of these as well. But we're doing a broad ad, as I said. So over here, there's keywords. So keywords is, for example, when somebody goes on YouTube and types a word. So let's say music. So these are the keywords that pops up. And so when we type music here, so we're going to target people that type those keywords. So we're going to type music, and this is what we get. Okay, so anyone that types music, we can target. And all you got to do is just click on add, and then you have it. So there you have it. So you're already targeting on everyone that typed this keyword. Any of these keywords, anyone that types it, your video is likely to pop up. And but we're not going to do that. We're not going to use this method. So we're just going to remove it. And you can also do placements. So you can also do placements. So with placements, it's also good. I mean, your videos can show on a specific target. So let's say you can target YouTube channels or YouTube videos. So let's say if it's a YouTube channel, we can just target Ace Family, right? They have a huge fan base. So or subscribers, and you can just type Ace Family, and it pops up, and then you get it. You can just type um, Justin Bieber if you want to. I mean, wherever you want to target, and you click on Justin Bieber, pops up, right? So, but we're not gonna target um, these folks. We're just doing a broad ad. But obviously, if you're an artist, I think it's great, or it will be smart for you to target um, artists or people that, I mean, people that do music. If you're an artist, if you're a digital marketer, or you can just target people like Gary V and who well, and whatnot. If you're if you're a real estate agent, you can target what's that guy's name? Sirhan. His name's Sirhan. You can target this guy. He Eric Conover. Yeah, you can target him. You can target some real estate agents as well. $1 million listing. You can target these people, but we're not going to target placements. So we're just going to go here, and the maximum CPV bid. I normally choose 0.01. So, and then all I have to do is copy the URL of this video because this is the video we're trying to do the ads for. Copy. So this video already has 791 views, and you have two options over here. You can choose in-stream ads. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this, these kind of ads. And so, okay, so this is the amount of views you can get with the budget. It's pretty low, but it's not too bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, with the amount of money we're spending to be able to get this amount of views, that's not bad at all. And so what you can also try to do is if you see that the views are a little bit low, you can try different things. You can try to increase the amount of days you're going to run the ads. If it changes, it changes. If it doesn't, then too bad. So all right, so we're just gonna go here. Oh, and if you want to do these kind of ads as well, where your video pops up under somebody's video. You can't really skip it, but like it's just, I'm pretty sure you've seen these as well. So on the computer, on the desktop, this is how it looks, and on the phone, this is how it looks. But we're gonna do in-stream ad, and we're gonna paste the URL in there. Let me see if this URL works. Yes, it does. And so we're gonna use this one, and you can use call to action, and you can click on watch. You can type watch more, and based on the title of the title of the video is before you give up, watch this. So you can just write never. You can just write something like pure motivation. Okay, so then you come here, and you're gonna type the name of the ad, the real name of the ad that you want people to see. So you're going to type for you give up, watch this. Right? So that's really simple. And so you just save and continue. Very, very simple. So all you have to do is just continue campaign, and it works. So you would have to wait for Google to approve it, and that's it. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, have a good one.